In this video I will show how to use converter for converting Resx files to Excel. You can see on my computer I have a Resx file. I can double click on it to open into Resx viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of a Resx file, and basically there are two main points like name and value. So Resx file, it contains resources. Usually it's like a text, and there is a name and value of the text, for example like identifier, message, ID of a message, and message itself. So I can view, I can filter. I will leave link on this viewer into description of this video, and I can filter, for example, class, right, and apply, filter, and can export into different formats, and so on. I'm gonna convert this file to Excel with converter. I will download and install from this website. I will leave link on this site into description. I'll click on search, type Resx, and I need this Resx file toolkit, and I need Resx to Excel, and I click on download to download converter, and wait until archive will be downloaded to my local computer. I'll be recording more videos about converting Resx to different formats, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, so we see archive has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive to open it, double click on MSI to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see I have an application installed on my computer and new shortcut on my desktop. So I click finish, close this, and this, and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select one or many Resx files we would like to convert. I'll click on this select input file button, navigate to my Resx, click on open, click on next step. There are no conversion options here, so I click on next step, and on final step I'll just click run button to create Excel. And it's asking me name or allocation of Excel file. Let's save it into documents, click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel installed on this computer, and Excel is not required to be in order to use this, but I have Excel mobile. It's a free version of Excel. It's allowing me to view what is inside of application. I cannot change, unfortunately, I cannot change anything, resize or make it look, but if you have Excel you can do it. But yeah, and basically we see all Resx files, all Resx data is converted to Excel. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.